Under the plan, this would be emergency legislation that would go into effect as soon as the governor signs it, which could be within days. The state of Maryland is seeing green.
Good afternoon, everyone.
The State Board of Revenue Estimates says Maryland now has a budget surplus of $7.5 billion. The reason has to do with the fire hydrant flow of federal COVID relief funds, combined with state tax revenue.
That's a historic amount. Maryland has never even seen anything like this before. However, it's one-time only money, so we need to use it in a way that's fiscally responsible.
State Controller Peter Francho suggests some of the money be used for a 3-month gas tax holiday. Drivers would save 37 cents per gallon at the pump.
I think it's a great idea. I mean, we're coming into the holiday time of the year. We're coming into the time where people are going to be traveling, visiting Annapolis, headed to the Eastern Shore. They need a break.
I think that just gas prices are kind of going crazy. I think that everybody really could use a break. They have the money. I think that that's a wonderful idea. I think it's a great way to bring some relief.
House Speaker Adrian Jones, Senate President Bill Ferguson, and Governor Hogan have all agreed on legislation calling for a month-long gas tax holiday. The legislation will go into effect as soon as the governor signs the bill.
It's the right thing to do. We can afford it. We feel you. We hear you. We want to help you.
The controller also suggests using the money to help low-income families.
Send $2,000 survival checks immediately to 470,000 Maryland families that are low-wage earners. They're struggling. They have no money.
The controller says some of the money could be used to stabilize child care options, for capital projects, or to help small business.
A path to bankruptcy for the state is to put this $7.5 billion into the operating budget and commit future legislatures to sustaining it, because it's one time only.
Now back to the gas tax break. It could cost the state some $100 million, which presiding officers say can be easily absorbed. Speaker Jones says they all agreed to revisit suspending the gas tax if necessary. Reporting live from Annapolis, David Collins, WBAL TV 11 News.